Hi, in this video I will show you how to stop ads on Android and block all pop-ups and notifications. So typically on some phones, those pop-ups and ads usually come from the browser. So it's safe to say that you can actually just disable notifications from those browser. For example, in this case, we have in your Google Chrome. What you can do is you can just long press right here Google Chrome or head over and then locate it from this case, and then from in there just long press it, and then from in there click on app info. From in there head over to the permissions, and you can just tweak the permissions right here, and we have in here notifications. Make sure that the Chrome is actually allowed or not validated on the notifications part. We also have in here the options for notifications as well. So make sure to turn off notifications for this part in order to stop the ads or pop-ups and notifications that we can see on that particular part or on that particular application. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.